Last week, we talked about my first 4 tips to avoid burnout as entrepreneurs. This week, we're going to talk about the next 6 ones. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Niche down, rinse, repeat. Try not to be a jack of all trades and master of none. Niching down is something that people often forget, but it's crucial not to. Not only will it make your marketing efforts more efficient and save you time in the long run, but there are also benefits such as better search engine optimization, SEO, and advertising results, which can help improve traffic numbers in the long run. Clearly define the spine of your message. In order to avoid burnout and build a successful business, you need to be able to define the parameters of your vision. This means being crystal clear on who and what it is that you are targeting before your business progresses too much in an unwanted direction, or else you're going to risk wasting time and money and other resources for little or nothing in return, which is, by the way, the definition of burnout. Turn long-form content into short-form content. This is crucial to avoid burnout. It's not uncommon to be productive for a short time and then have low energy after that. You begin missing deadlines because of lack of motivation or the ability to focus on the tasks you have to do. To avoid this, try condensing your long-form content into shorter pieces with clear beginnings and endings so that you can share the original content in multiple channels across your social media. The key here is being organized by making sure all long-form content has been converted into short-form content, like blog posts turned into Instagram captions, for example. You'll feel less stressed out and you'll avoid burnout. You'll also be able to keep up with your posting schedule and maintain your engagement rates, which is great for your business. Learn to say no. It's easy to feel generous when you say yes to everything, but by doing so, you're actually setting yourself up for self-sabotaging. When we take on more than is manageable, it can be the result of overzealousness and lack of appropriate boundaries from past experiences in life. If you've been through tough times with little support, then you might tend towards excessive responsibility without considering your own needs first. This is because saying no feels like an act against others rather than an act of self-love, which is crucial to sustain healthy relationships as well as successful professionally. By saying yes too often, you're actually doing yourself a disservice because it will exhaust you and leave you feeling worn out, eventually leading you to burnout. Stop overcommitting by setting clear boundaries and by listening to your own needs. Try saying no at least once this week. Focus on the process, not on the outcome. Focus too heavily on making sure that everything goes according to plan and you are setting yourself up for failure. See mishaps as learning opportunities and matter for growth rather than catastrophic mistakes with no solution in sight. It's better to focus less on what we think should happen or we hope will happen. Instead, try channeling your energy towards being available to experience both success and failure. Learning how to deal with adversity, whether it's a mistake you made or an obstacle blocking your path, is one way people grow their skill set. Overthinking results only in fear-based decision-making. Trash the to-do lists. Consider keeping a calendar, electronic or not, as a place where you'll organize your schedule down into manageable chunks rather than keeping overwhelming lists scattered all over the place and inside your brain. To-do lists only make you feel perpetually overwhelmed by tasks left incomplete, followed by wondering why nothing got done, creating more stress instead of resolution and organization. Don't forget to set up your time on your calendar for self-care and time with your family as well. I hope these 10 tips have helped you understand and avoid burnout in your entrepreneurial journey. Whether it's taking a break from work or hiring an assistant to help take on some of the load, there are many ways to keep yourself feeling fresh and energized throughout this process. Please reach out to me, Marina Gee. Send me an email to info@mindbloomu if you have any questions, and please press any button, press anything on this screen to keep on watching my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.